In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use the website campaign. Let's create a website campaign. On Sidebar, click Campaign. Click Create Campaign and choose Website Campaign. Let's fill up the required information. Enter the campaign name. Enter the website. Enter the privacy policy URL. Enter the email. Enter a short description. This checkbox will send a notification email to the email address you entered above when a new review is submitted. This drop-down will allow the review to be auto-approved when reached the option you selected. For example, you select 4 stars and above, and when a review is submitted with 4 stars, it will auto-approve the review. When the review is 3, it will be pending for approval. This form settings box are the text that displays on the review form, which I will show later. Let's save the campaign. In here, an error occurred asking the website to be in full URL format, so let's update it. So the campaign is created. Now you will see some similarities from the service campaign. Except that for a website campaign, there is no campaign page, but an embed code is generated. You will copy this code and paste it in your web page where you will collect reviews. I will go and paste this code in a web page that I created in Review Trust and show you the review form. Okay, I have pasted the embed code, so let's open the page in a new window. Here you see the Submit Review form generated at the bottom of the page. This text is the text from the form settings box I mentioned earlier. Now let's submit a review. After clicking the star, it will open the review form. You will notice the second text from the form settings box earlier. It'll fill up the form now. After submitting, it will show a thank you message, which is the third text from the form settings. Let me show you the form settings again. See the text from the review form. Now let's look at the submitted review. Let's refresh this page first. Now we see the review. It is currently unapproved because we did not set the auto-approve drop-down earlier. In the previous video, I showed you how to create display reviews widgets. Let's add it again for this campaign. Okay, widget is added, and let's preview it. You can see that there is a review, but not the one we just submitted. This is because the review we submitted is unapproved, and this checkbox will show the widget with dummy data. If there is no review to show yet, If we uncheck this box, the widget will show no reviews. This checkbox is only for the preview, an actual web page where you paste this widget. It will show no reviews if the campaign has no review to show. Now let's approve the review. Go back to the widget. Click Preview. You can see that this is the review I submitted and approved. And that's it for the website campaign. And check the next video for the email review campaign.